Hey guys, so today we're going to be making a slime, fluffy slime, glue, eye drop, and powder. I don't know what it's called. First, what you do is take out some glue. I'm not going to be using a lot just in case this is a fail. Next, what you're going to do is shake off your foaming hand wash and just pour pinches of baking soda. Then you're gonna take your eye drops, add some in. It's starting to form. It's really fluffy, to be honest. Wow, so that was really quick. That was quicker than I was expecting. So I'm gonna be back in just 1 second. So since that was quick, I'm gonna be making some more. I know you had to have all of this for it to work. So you just gotta keep on mixing. It's really quick and it's like a safer alternative to forks and that type of stuff. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, but this isn't the end because I'm gonna be doing some ASMR after I finish mixing on this up. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below for some more slime ideas. Bye!